In a world where the seas were as vast as the heavens, a unique creature graced the waters. This was none other than the sailfish, a majestic fish with a sail-like dorsal fin. One day, a sailfish named Sailor set out on an extraordinary journey. He had heard tales of a treasure hidden deep within the ocean, a treasure that could bring peace and prosperity to all the sea creatures. One day, Sailor reached the heart of the ocean. There, he found the treasure, a glittering pearl encased in a massive conch shell. Sailor was filled with joy, but he knew that the journey back would be even more treacherous. With the treasure in tow, Sailor faced the return journey. He navigated the strong currents and evaded the predators with skill and cunning. He knew that his journey was not just for himself, but for all the sea creatures who looked up to him. Finally, Sailor arrived back home. He presented the treasure to the sea creatures, who were filled with awe and gratitude. Peace and prosperity spread through the ocean, and Sailor was hailed as a hero. But Sailor knew that the treasure was not the true reward. The true reward was the journey. The challenges he faced, the friendships he forged, and the lessons he learned along the way. From that day forward, Sailor became a symbol of courage and determination. He taught the sea creatures that the true treasure lies not in material wealth, but in the journey and the lessons we learn along the way. And so, the story of Sailor and his journey became a legend, passed down from generation to generation. Every time a sailfish leapt out of the water, it was a reminder of Sailor's courage, determination, and the true treasure that lies within each of us.